Okay, here's the car right now. Suspension's been taken out, but this right here, the subframe is bent. I don't know if it can be straightened out or not. It's pretty bad. There's the brake line right there. Down here it's pretty busted. Some scrapes that Kaya put in here. All the way down. The rest of the car is okay. It's the good side. So the first job I'm going to do today is put in a fuse under the seat so the main power will work again. I got it jumped at the moment because the 12-volt battery can't charge itself. This is saying everything is broken. This is where the car died, up here near Philadelphia. Probably New Jersey. That's where the car died. Wherever this is. Got signal, that's cool. Owner's name's Charles. Look at that, it's downloading. Cool. Manalapan, New Jersey. Manalapan, New Jersey. All right. To be continued. All right. I got the back seat out. Had to fish this seat belt out here and another one over here through the hole. There's two latches down here that you just move with your hand. Guess you can't see them. And they unlatch, and then there's two plugs here. One here, disconnect, another on the other side. It's right next to the seat belt. Okay, out comes the seat. All right. This thing disconnects somehow. Not sure how. It just pulls up. Alright. Now I gotta get these off. I'll be back. bunch of these guys to undo now. Here's a very special shaped thing. I've managed to get the seat and the cover open without electrocuting myself. This guy right here, this $200 fuse, that's what I have to replace now, and the system should come back to life. Very scary. Okay, got the bolts out. They're half inch. There's the fuse. Now for the new one. It looks like the sticker went towards me. Alright, here's the new one, fresh from Ukraine. Here we go. Okay, now screw it in. Alright, the new fuse is in. It made a tiny little spark when I put it in. It wasn't high voltage, but it was something scary. Huh, maybe I almost died. Okay, I got the 12 volt screwed back in. Whatever this guy is, that's back. It's probably the BMS or something. All these cross members are back. Lots and lots of screws. Alright, cap. Okay, and now yeah, these screws here are back in. So now the seat. Alright, I got the seat back in. It's all looking nice again. Okay, it's all good. Let's see, do the doors open? Negative. Is it because I don't have the key? Where's my key? What did I do with it? Okay, key. No, that wasn't it. All right, I'll jump it. Alright, it is jumped. Probably should start the car so it doesn't kill the battery. high voltage gloves. Well, this guy's making noise now. That's new. That sounded bad. Okay. Hey, we've got a fan makes a bad sound. Okay, that just went in nighttime mode. Let's see if I can turn off the fan. Ah, just a few problems. Okay, that's new too, just switched off. Is it coming back? Hello? To be continued.